name is Nurka Yasmin Peselkowi. I'm a fourth-year student of undergraduate mechatronic engineer at Federico Villarreal National University. And the project that I am developing is called Peruvian rockets to measure CO2 in volcanoes in Peru. This research is not only mine. We started this project about more than a year ago with two friends of my university, and in this year we focused on the theory part. And what made us accelerate the process to get a real rocket was the acceptation to participate in an international congress. This congress is called K2019. K2019 is an Argentine space technology congress, and thanks to this we can develop a real rocket in about 3 months. In these 3 months we built a prototype. This prototype is capable to reach 1 kilometer, and the second rocket, or the second phase of the project, will reach 8 kilometers in height and may make measurements in volcanoes in Peru. My contribution of this project is the recovery system. The recovery system is necessary for the rocket landing safely and reduce the impact to the rocket fall. In this part I have to learn about aerodynamics, and also I have to find the correct diameter for the parachute using the drag force equation. Also I have to find the correct material of this, that in this case is waterproof nylon. The length, I found the length of the ropes and the material of this, and after half of these values I simulated on a software called parachute tail, and I put it under different pressure and different forces, and also know when to open the parachute, because if the parachute opens prematurely, the rocket will be stuck in the air for a long time, and it will be difficult to know which point will approximately land. And if the parachute is opened too late, this may not have enough time to open fully and likely to hit the ground. Another advantage to have a recovery system is that we can launch the rocket several times and make several measurements. The general objective of this project is measure CO2 in volcanoes in Peru, to know the variation of this gas and how can this influence or predict future volcanic eruptions. The specific objective of this project is the design of the rocket case and the analysis of effort to verify that the material used are as indicated. Well, before launching the rocket we had an inconvenience, because we needed a permission to launch the rocket. Thanks to my university, we can manage this permission endorsed by Federico Villarreal National University. But the big challenge was the ejection system. We have to do a lot of tests to get that this system can expel the parachute. After trying different methods of ejection, about 30 tests, we got away using gunpowder and a good seal to avoid pressure loss and have enough thrust to eject the parachute. Additionally, a personal challenge was to lose the fear of explosion. I can handle it with the practice. We did a lot of tests for the ejection system that now I think explosions are residing in a good way. I learned that the theory is as important as the practice part, and the most important thing that I learned is that before start a new project, or if we don't have experience, it's better start build a prototype. And before build a prototype, it's very important to simulate the part of the project and know that the material are appropriate and be sure that it will work.